Okay, guys, this is what we have EURUSD daily time frame. So we're just gonna be looking at our bias for this week. As you can see here, we have a buy side liquidity being collected here as price was pushing up. We have a buy side liquidity here being collected as price was pushing up, and then price 10 it went down, and then we have a shift in market structure here. So the shift in market structure, it's indicating that we are most likely to continue to go down. So if you look on daily here, we have our daily fair value gap here, which I believe this is gonna be a drawn liquidity. So this is gonna be the main reason why price will want to come to this, will want to go down and continue to get to this level here, which is our fair value gap here. So this is gonna be the attracting place that our price is most likely to come to. So either way, you can see from here I've indicated that this is a potential fair value gap. The reason I'm saying it's a potential fair value gap is because if this candle here, this current daily candle, if it closes bearish here, this is definitely gonna be a fair value gap. Unless this candle just starts to be bullish and then close bullish, then it's not gonna be a fair value gap, but let's hope it does so either way, I'm not sure when will price reach at this level here. So it can be today, it can be tomorrow, I'm not sure. So if price push down to this level here, it doesn't give us anything, then it's a loss. But what I will be anticipating on a smaller time frame is to look for retracement. Okay, so either price it's gonna retrace and then push down, or something within the smaller time frame to work within to sell short and then target these as our take profit, targeting this level of our fair value gap as our take profit. So that's it for this video. Shalom.